In the heart of Florida, where warm breezes flow through coastal palms and subtropical rain step gently on tin roofs, a Japanese-style tiny home breathes calm and clarity. Within its compact frame, every detail is intentional, especially the use of double-side cabinets, a quiet innovation that enhances space, flow, and function. In this humid climate, air circulation is the key. One of the most valuable layout tips is to position double-side cabinets as room dividers, allowing natural airflow while offering storage on both sides. For example, a cabinet between the kitchen and living space might hold cookware on one side and books or tea set on the other, seamlessly serving both areas without blocking light or energy. Inspired by traditional Japanese joinery, these cabinets are often built with open base or lower slats, helping humidity escape while adding a subtle elegance. In Florida, ever-changing weather, its design prevents moisture buildup and keeps the home feeling fresh and breezy. Another clever tip: line double-side cabinets along central spines, much like the core of a Michiya townhouse in Kyoto. In a Florida setting, this not only defines zones in an open plan layout but also allows for cross ventilation from screen porch or sliding shoji doors. The result is a home that breathes naturally, resisting the need for consistent air conditioning. Materials matter too. Florida's salty air and high humid mean choosing mildew-resistant wood like cypress or treated bamboo, finished with natural oils other rather than heavy varnish. This echo the warm tones of Japanese interior while standing up to the coastal climate. Inside organization follows the Japanese philosophy of a place for everything. The double-sided design encourages intentional minimalism. Only items that serve a daily or seasonal purpose are kept, and they are stored mindfully, often in hidden compartments or stackable trays. On the living side, cabinets may open up to reveal a Tokonama style niche, perfect for a seasonal flower and handmade ceramic blending function with aesthetic calm. In a tiny home where space is precious, each cabinet becomes multidimensional, not just storage but also seating, surface, and separator. It is a quiet nod to Japanese ingenuity, reimagined for the rhythm of Florida life. Through this layout, the home feels larger than its footprint. Light flows, air moves, and between two worlds is and so thus a thoughtful life unfolds.